All these little pieces are printed right here in a single run from this 3D printer, the INEW3D QC2A full color printer. It's not a regular FDM machine, but a solid UV 3D printer. However, it's even different from our regular UV printers. It stacks layers of flat material into real 3D objects with a full color printed in one stop. That's why we're so impressed. The final prints have a smooth color transitions, solid depth, and a realistic texture. It cuts out so many tedious steps from traditional resin printing. No more splitting models, repeated printing, sanding, or manual painting. With this full color 3D printer, the workflow is super simple. Just confirm what you want, click to print the model, then soak it in water. That's all you need to get clean, finish the artworks. It sounds great, right? But is it really this easy to use? First, let's start with the build and hardware. Unlike a regular resin printers, the INEW3D QC2A is a professional full-color resin jetting device. Every part of its body is built for high-precision color printing. Quick note, this is an engineering prototype, not the final retail version. That's why the ink tank labels don't fully match the actual ink inside. On the left side of the front panel sits a 7-inch touchscreen. You won't find tons of complicated settings here, but all the core maintenance tools are built in. You can clean the print head or reset the assistant directly on the screen. The star feature here is it's a 6-channel independent resin system. It holds cyan, magenta, yellow, white, transparent resin, and dedicated water-soluble support resin. Every channel feeds independently. It delivers even color mixing and stable support structures. The printer operates at a resolution of 720 × 2880 dots per inches and a layer height of 0.03, 0.05 millimeters. The build size is 200 by 160 by 80 millimeters. It works perfectly for custom figurines, cultural crafts, small prototypes, and teaching models. It covers most desktop creation and a small batch custom work. The AI modeling tool is built directly into the Simba Slicer software. It really lowers the learning curve for new users. Basic small objects are easy to model with simple skills, but realistic characters and animals are way harder. They require smooth curves, fine textures, and accurate proportions. Beginners without professional modeling skills can hardly get decent results. This is exactly why most people struggle with a full-color 3D creation. INEW3D solves this pain point with its built-in AI generation feature. You can turn text descriptions or reference images into printable 3D models. No complex professional software required. Total beginners can create usable models quickly. New users also get 100 free AI generation tries. It's more than enough for practice, drafting, and test prints. After extensive testing, I can sum up its pros and cons clearly. This AI tool works best for Q-style characters, stylized animals, and simple craft models. It generates fast, clean shapes, perfect for concept prototyping. However, it struggles with ultra-detailed professional models. Complex, fine structures often need manual tweaks. You cannot get perfect high-precision results in one click. Now that we've talked about this core AI modeling capability, let's move on to the actual printing process. During our first test print, the machine ran perfectly, no errors, no ink interruption. It stacked up each layer exactly as previewed in a Simba Slicer. Here's how its unique printing logic works. The entire inner part of the model is filled with white resin. Only the outer 0.7 millimeter layer is blended with colored resin. This is why white and transparent support resin run out the fastest. For this prototype machine, the effective ink tank capacity is around 400 milliliter. With a routine head cleaning consuming extra ink, super long prints may run out of resin halfway. The brand will optimize this for the official retail version. Once the print finished, the whole model was covered in white water-soluble supports. After dissolving the support, the overall shape and color looked pretty good at first glance. But we noticed obvious gray residue across the surface. The texture felt rough and unfinished. We ruled out machine failure eventually. The issue happened because this prototype sat idle in our studio for a long time. Dry ink and resin accumulated on the waste ink collection device and then transferred onto the new print piece. The fix is simple, just fully clean up all residual ink on the rollers. After cleaning the rollers and reprinting, we got excellent clean results. The color transitions are incredibly smooth, skin tones and light gradients look natural and realistic. Edges are sharp and clean with no overflow or patchy coloring. Fine textures and layered details are fully restored. If you look extremely close with a macro lens, you can still spot subtle layer lines and minor surface roughness. This is completely normal for resin jetting printing. A little post-polishing and refinements will boost the finish quality drastically. That said, this high-quality finish comes with one obvious trade-off: printing time. I'll attach a reference chart in the video for detailed data, so I won't list every number here. We also found that positioning the model along the x-axis significantly increases print speed. Adding an additional part of the same size in the x direction only increases print time by around 30%. Now, let's wrap up my real-world experience with the INEW3D QC2A as a desktop full-color resin. Let's wrap up my real-world experience with the INEW3D QC2A as a desktop full-color resin printer. Its biggest advantage is accessibility. The built-in AI modeling tool is beginner-friendly. New users get 100 free uses. You can generate Q characters and craft models from images or text with zero professional experience. It makes full-color 3D creation available to everyone. Its layered color jetting system is its strongest feature. The inner white base and outer color coding deliver natural gradients without the blocky coloring of regular multicolor printers. The outer print quality is already impressive. It saves huge amount of time on manual printing and post-processing. The water-soluble support avoids damage from manual support removal. It protects fine details and makes post-work much easier. It's ideal for personal creation and small-scale custom orders. The brand is also constantly optimizing its maintenance system. The goal is to achieve low maintenance or even maintenance-free operation. The retail version will offer an external ink supply option for longer uninterrupted printing. To be objective, it has minor limitations you should know. Its high-precision layered printing process takes time. Large models requires very long print cycles, so it's not for fast mass production. Raw prints show subtle texture lines under macro view, which need a simple post-finishing. Overall, this machine targets refined full-color creation perfectly. The optimized retail version will be an even more competitive desktop 3D printer. So we will definitely keep an eye on the final tuning and wait for the complete version. Good news is that the INEW3D printer is now available on Kickstarter. I'll put the link. Good news is that the INEW3D printer is now available on Kickstarter. I'll put the link down below. If you would like to among the first to try out this top-of-the-line 3D printer, check it out. Thanks for watching.